Hey explorers, want to sound more confident in English? Let's upgrade some basic words into powerful alternatives. Ready? So let's get started. Big, colossal. The colossal statue stood tall, dominating the city's skyline. Small, petite. She chose a petite handbag that perfectly matched her outfit. Tired, exhausted. After the marathon, he was completely exhausted and collapsed onto the couch. Smart, ingenious. The scientist's genius solution solved a decades old problem. Scared, petrified. She was petrified when she saw a shadow move outside her window at midnight. Start using these words today and boost your confidence. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.